y'all. Good morning. It is like, I do this every time I record damn video. It's 7:42. I was supposed to been up like an hour ago, but I didn't go to sleep till like 3, 4 this morning. And it's like every time I have something to do in the morning, I cannot go to sleep at night. But if I ain't got nothing to do the next day, I can sleep perfectly fine at night, and it irritates me. So I'm finna just get ready to take Devin to school and start my morning routine, and y'all come with me. So come on. I think I broke my tripod. I be having to slow down. We're gonna get into this. So I'm just taking my green tea. I usually use Cerebate facial. I'm gonna use two because I do both of them. This, and I broke my knob. I don't know how I broke my knob, but I broke the knob. And y'all, we gonna be doing my hair later, okay? When I get out, and I'm gonna, it all makes sense. It's gonna all make sense to y'all. But we can go to the gym. And I'm not gonna record like the whole day of the gym. Cause I just don't really want to take my camera and shit to the gym and all that extra shit. I ain't trying to record. The gym be so busy in the morning, like sometimes. I ain't gotta be at work till 12. I got 2 clients. Or 2 major clients. I got a pedicure and the full set. Then I got a pedicure and a, when I say pedicure, I mean closed toes. Then I got affiliate and closed toes. Then, so y'all, I don't know if y'all know or not, but I'm working with a mentor. Like when I do my hair clients, so I'll be taking my hair clients, depending on what it is, at my mentor shop. So she can like watch me. I take most of my clients at her shop, so she be like watching me do what I'm doing. I mean, I know what I'm doing, but it's just like God would be better. You can always learn new shit. Yeah, my lashes is PUSTED. Like, we ain't gonna get into that topic. You know, ask when I'm getting them done, because I really don't know. Because I really don't know, y'all, for real. And I'm kid free today. I be so tired of being a parent sometimes. Literally. I'm feeling just like I'm going to the gym, and I only got 2 clients, so I'm not gonna change my clothes, or I'm not gonna come home. So I'm gonna finish my day, then we gonna come home. And when I come home, my day should be busting a little bit because I got plans with my content friend. But yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get back in my car. I wish y'all don't need to see me put my clothes on, okay? I'm gonna come back, okay? Okay, y'all. I'm just like I'm going to the gym. All I did was put a sports bra on. Put my pants on. And this is a versatile quick leave. This is sad part. I'm going to do my hair later. Just so y'all, so just bear with me. Just bear with me because I'll be a bad bitch in about 12 hours. I'm on low ponytail or half ponytail. So this, and my edges is busted. Like, I really need to do my hair for real. And you can literally tell while I show you my hair though. But whatever. fact, that I need to do my shit. That's your secret ingredient. I always keep you smeared. Cause man, hey, this shit might go the wrong way. Okay, no, I need to put some lotion on my face. Well, this time I need to go. This shit. I got 5 minutes to do it. Literally fast. And I'm trying to be real disciplined. This is gonna be the hardest shit ever to not pick my face, bro. Like, why would I want to pick my face? And I'm cute. Stop playing. No. I keep some of my lips. Yeah. I don't even remember what this called or who is bad, but the bottle say gloss. I know it's like 3 or 4 of these because I know it's like a lighter pink bottle, maybe a darker pink bottle, maybe a nude bottle if I'm not mistaken. If I'm not mistaken. You don't want to go to the gym. Yes, I still put on stuff. Like, yeah, I'm telling y'all. My hair is like this because I'm finna go to the gym and I'm finna go to work and I'm gonna come home. Where's my... But anyway, I'm gonna take y'all back. I'm gonna get back on this video when I get in my car because I have to get my baby to school. Here. Oh. Now, we in the car. Where we finna go? And what you got today? A half day. So you get out of school at what time? 11:30. Right. Yo, we finna listen to our song. So what they gonna have to do? Talk to us later, right? Right? Put your seatbelt on. She do not know how to multitask. She stopped doing everything she was doing to do something else. Like, put your damn seatbelt on. And one thing about me, I'm gonna come out the house with a box, okay? Or take one in. And y'all know what my song is, okay? Twin, let's say, where have you been? You're not gonna sing it? Nobody knows it like you do. Not gonna sing it? Alright. Don't be trying to get on here and sing no other day. Alright? Alright. Y'all, and it was so slippery in Chicago this day. Like, cars was sliding off the road everywhere. Like, this shit was crazy. Like, if you didn't have a truck, you don't need to be outside, okay? Okay, y'all, so I am sitting in my car. And I wish these fucking windshield wipers shut up because I'm stationary now. I'm gonna get ready to go in the gym, but I have to stop and get me something to eat because my stomach is like in my back. Cause I usually eat in the morning, but I woke up a little later. And I told y'all why, because I didn't go to sleep till about 4 this fucking morning. And then I was rushing out the house. I had to get my baby to school. Because it's Wednesday and she go with her people on Wednesday. So I just went to McDonald's. I don't even eat McDonald's. So pray for me. Because if I throw up, that was my fault. If I throw up, that's my fault for sure. But I even stopped by my grandma's house and got my package. The other day when I stopped by my grandma's house, I had like 10 fucking packages. Like, that's why I told you I'm always got a box. Like, ain't me if I ain't walking around with a box. I'm not me if I don't have something in my hand that has to do pertaining to work, or a box that got to do with work. Y'all don't mind my lashes, they blowing the fuck out of me, okay? But yeah, so yeah, I really want y'all to sit right here because I wanna do my Instagram while I'm sitting right here. Y'all, so I got a little time. I ain't gotta really go in right now. And I'm supposed to be going to the beauty square. So look, y'all, I'm working on my Instagram, right? My shit doing 457K right now. But y'all, that was just in the 100,000s like a week ago. But all I gotta do is buy my how to grow on Instagram, or how to grow. It's like Instagram, but how to grow on social media, period. Because once you start applying it to one social media platform, you can apply it to every social media platform. And then my followers were in the negatives, like the high negatives, like negative, like 0.5 or some shit like that. So I have to work and get that back up, work to get that back where I want to have it at. But I mean, my impressions in 867,000. Working on getting it in the millions, because I know if I get my shit up in the millions, my glue gonna sell out. And that's just a tactic that I have to just come up with. Like, you have to really look at that shit. You gotta reach your analytics. You gotta pay attention to your audience. You gotta pay attention to what it is. Like, when my shit be up like that, my sales be up, my bookings be up, everything, because it's reaching all new people. Like, even Chicago people. Like, I feel like I done touched everybody nails and shit before. I done did everybody nails. But those were the people in my generation. Now it's the younger generation. And these younger kids, I don't know where they be getting the money from, but they be having more money than us. In the beauty world is where the money is at. So how you a sophomore in high school and you got more money than me? Like, they be at school with Mary down to the floor, Balenciaga, whatever you can. They be Tom Ford. Like, where is y'all getting this? Where y'all getting this from? So and I'm trying to keep my Instagram structured. Like, I'm trying to keep my page. So like, I see no, that's not what I want to do. Like, you see hair, post, nails. So now I gotta post nails again. Right. It's a time to post a nail video. But I have to sit here and go through the nail videos, because I honestly think that all my nail videos is in the phone that I'm recording on. So I have to sit here and find something to post. I could just post this. Long nails, anybody? I could post that, or I can post. Y'all literally got so much shit in my phone. I have so much shit in this phone. I low-key want to post these again. Let me show y'all one thing. These. Y'all see those? Yeah. That's my cousin. But my cousin just pulled up to the gym. I'm finna eat a little bit of my stuff, my oatmeal. Cause I eat oatmeal in the house. But yeah, and I'm finna get ready to go in the gym. I might record a little bit because she with me, but I don't really want to record in the gym. And my music is in. But I'll be back. Because we got to record the whole day. Y'all see her? Don't try not to look at the camera now. Uh-huh. Now I'm at work in a bitch. Tired. Really don't even explain what I'm trying to say. I'm gonna need y'all to excuse my background. Hey. What's your name?
Monica.
State your name, buzz down. I'm just playing.
They don't know my story.
Y'all, she finna apply for the Nike sponsorship. You know what I'm talking about? The video they making? They like, yeah, so I have to tell her life story.
Right.
Her grandmother was a stripper. Mm-hmm. And they like,
Back in 1946.
And she was picking cotton.
And shaking it.
Get your dumb ass. I'm trying to see if I should record your nails. It depends, because she's simple Nancy. And I ain't trying to put that on my YouTube. Because y'all done seen all that.
The YouTube people ain't saying simple Nancy. Okay.
Right, that's why you need to turn it up. Because we don't want to see what we've been seeing.
Okay.
What you just showed me?
My shit is all fucked up. I need to get this shit done.
What did you do?
Man, too much.
These are the clients that I be talking about. But at least they salon because they've been on.
Yeah.
So this is my second client, y'all. Body hurt, tired, getting still, ready to go home. Ready to go home. Pass go, collect $200. So now that I am done with my 2 clients, I am heading to my mentor shop so that we can prep this wig for my client, which was the next day. So she wanted just 613 with brown roots, and I ain't never did no brown roots before, nor have I ever fucked with a 613 wig. So yeah, when I ain't never did something before, I be needing to know how to do it so I can do it correctly, okay? Because I don't be having time for fuck ups, because that's my name on the line, not y'all's. And I had to turn the sound off on this part because they have music going in the background, and you know that YouTube do not pay when it comes to having music going in the background. So that's why I'm just talking over this part because, yeah. So when I washed this off, y'all, it was green because I guess I didn't leave it on there long enough. So I had to go all the way back while my client was sitting in my face. And I had to read out the whole thing, which it came out right. It came out right the second time. I guess I didn't leave it on there long enough or let it dry how it was supposed to dry or whatever the case may be. But her hair actually turned out to look way better than what I thought it was going to look. So that's when I got done down the roots. And this was the outcome of her whole hair. So make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And make sure y'all just tune in because I'm going to take y'all through my whole journey.